Let's ride a water splash RC crash mission for Thrillville on the rails of the week. So let's do it. You guys ready? Yeah. I bet I go. Woo! All right, water splash RC coaster crash mission. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Up the hill. Here we are. Ready? Here we go. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Splash! Woo! Spiral! Woohoo! Spiral! Oh no, I'm gonna be crashed! Oh no! Parachute and flying and floating. Flying, floating in the air. Oh, I think I'm coming to the land and landing. Wow, that was great ride. A water splash RC crash version. That was awesome. It's a splash or water splash RC crash version. It's a water splash RC crash version for Thrillville on the rails of the week. Let's talk to Lucy Morgan.
How are you? Hi there. I was riding in a coaster when it crashed. I have to say, it was the most terrific disaster I've ever been in.
Yeah, she let coaster crash. See you, Lucy. It's a water splash
I feel like a kid again on those great gentle rides.
RC crash version for Thrillville on the rails of the week.